Hi all, welcome to Inch online fashion designing class. Today's topic is sleeve fixing. So for this, cut out the sleeve first with seam allowance all round and complete the round arm of the sleeves. So this is a 3/4 sleeve. So complete the round arm by double folding it and machining it. So in case if it is a short sleeve, then don't machine it. Complete the round arm with a hemming or give a facing strip, turn it to the wrong side and hem it in position. Notch at the center of the crown. Have the sleeve right side facing right side and start machining from the armhole. So whatever the seam allowance is, maintain the same seam allowance throughout. So the seam allowance given here is 1/2 inch. So now hold the sleeve fabric. So let the main fabric be flat. You see to it you match the sleeve edge and the armhole edge. So as you're stitching the sleeve, you have to leave it a little loose. So this is called easing. So stitch the sleeve with ease. So don't stretch the sleeves. So don't stretch the sleeves to match the armhole here. So here I'm just going to match the curves along. So automatically you will get ease. So similarly, just come out a distance of 1 inch or 1.5 inch and then you match the edge of the sleeve and the armhole. So automatically you will get ease. So initially you might find it difficult to stitch with ease. So what you can do is you can just push the seam allowance of the sleeves using a seam ripper. I'll repeat it one more time. So now just come out 1 inch or 1.5 inch and then match the seam allowance of the sleeve and the armhole of the fabric. And now you can keep pushing the seam allowance of the sleeve as you're stitching. So as you're stitching, you can push the seam allowance behind. So see to it the notching and the shoulder joint should match. So similarly continue with easing. So now check to see that you have stitched the sleeves perfectly without any creases or pleats. So a sleeve with easing will look like this. So this is called easing. So the areas where there's no ease, this will match perfectly without any extras here. See here near the crown we have done easing. So this is how the fabric looks when the easing is done. So a sleeve with ease will fit better. So now after checking you can give a row of second stitch. So a care should be taken when you're giving a row of second stitch. Never stitch on the previous stitch. So this second stitch has to be given next to the stitch which is done earlier. Never overlap the stitches. So after joining the sleeves, so fold the garment like this. So match at the underarms here. See to it you don't have any difference at the underarm. So hold the seam allowance in position and pin it at the underarm. And now measure half the round arm measurement. So here I have marked 5.5 inches. So now start stitching the side of the sleeves. So we have the stitching line of the side seam here. So now gradually match the stitch to the marking here. Turn the sleeves to the right side. So the underarm matching has to be perfect without any difference. Thank you.